Hi, my name is Jessica Canovas. I'm the art director of Still Life and Home and Anthropology. This is my dog, Biggie Smalls. I'm 7 months pregnant, so nesting has kind of taken over my life right now. This afternoon, I'm outside doing some plantings. You just need some basics: soil, a plant, and a vessel. I don't know if you're aware of this, but Anthropology has some of the cutest planters ever. Look how cute this turtle pot is. Can you eat it? This literally goes well with everything. Cute! Not all plant vessels are created equally. Some don't have draining holes, but that doesn't mean that you can't use them for plants. What I like to use is a layer of rocks at the bottom. Next step, we're gonna get some dirt in there. It's time to put your plant in. So I've got this little beauty right here. You can see all these roots are super tight right now. So before you put it in, you just wanna give it a good squeeze. Loosen those babies up. Nestle that guy right there and add another layer of dirt. Voila, a beautiful planted pot. Well, Biggie and I have been at this for a whole 5 minutes, so I'm really hungry. I don't know if you know this, but when you're pregnant, you're starving all the time. All right, on to the next plant. Succulents are big crowd pleasers. I'm gonna bring gloves into the mix this time. We're gonna use some special soil that's made specially for succulents and cactuses. First things first, I'm gonna put some rocks at the bottom of this pot. Alrighty. Now time to put our succulent in. Gonna give it a little squeeze very gently. These guys are very sensitive. And there you go. One more tip on this guy, you want to give him a day or two before you water him. Let him readjust, understand his new surroundings. Nothing like waking up to a fresh succulent in the morning. So for my next plant, I'm gonna propagate a snake plant that I have. So you're gonna need your plant, a smaller planter. How cute is it that these guys match? Precious. A handy pair of shears. Gotta shake all this dirt off. As you can see, this little cutie has 2 babies next to it. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna cut off these little babies that are on either side. I'm gonna make sure that I don't cut off these root families because that's what's going to allow these guys to grow. Here's our mom. She gets to go right back in her pot. Don't worry, Mom. I'll keep your babies right next to you. So now we have this fresh cut and we're going to plant him in his own pot so he can grow strong. You pretty much want to fill it to the top. Poke a nice hole in there with your finger and set him right in there. And then you pad around our new little guy. I can't wait to watch him grow. Here's my beautiful new family of plants. I hope that you feel inspired to do some plantings of your own. Thank you for hanging out with Biggie and I and for spending this afternoon with Anthro. Can you sit down, please? You're really not helping me like the way that I wanted you to. Don't look away from me.